Well, guess what this video is about? Today we will solve another easy LeetCode problem with Java. We will look at the remove duplicates from sorted array problem and explain in detail using the examples and discuss the runtime complexity at the end. But let's not hesitate and start analyzing the problem. The main idea is this: we are given a sorted array as a parameter and should redesign the array so that all duplicates of a number are pushed back and that each number appears unique in the first k elements. In addition, the relative order and sorting should be maintained. And then we will return k, the number of the unique elements in the array. I decided to visualize it. The following array is given and my approach to the solution is as follows. We iterate through our given array in a loop and initialize k to 0. And our loop should start at index 1 and k is represented here by the yellow arrow and I, the loop variable, is red. Now we always compare the value at index I with the value at index k. In this case they're the same, so we increment I to search for more unique elements. If we now compare the value at index k with the value at index I, they differ. That means we have a new element and therefore we have to increase k and set the element at the index of the new k as the element at index I, and of course I also increases afterwards since it's a loop. Now the value at index I is equal to the value at index k, so only I increases and nothing happens in the loop. I'll let the animation run for the end. Now we're done, we increased k 4 times, but we now have to return 5, so k plus 1, since our first k plus 1 elements are unique and the other elements don't matter. Let's start the programming. The only thing we need is our variable k and a loop that iterates through our entire array. Within the loop, we check in each loop run whether the value at index k is not equal to the value at index I. If so, k must be increased, and as already said, the value at index I must be assigned to the new index k value, and if not, nothing happens. And as I already said, like in our example, we have to return k plus 1. Because we only iterate through our array once with a loop, the runtime complexity is big O of n, where n is the length of the array, and with that we beat 100%. And yes guys, that's it. Write your suggestions in the comments and we'll see you next time.